What is a HMI? It can be something as simple as a button, or it can be something enormously complex. And at Garz Fricke, we take the complex and we make it simple. We do this by offering a complete, fully integrated HMI. It all starts with our single board computer. This is made from industrial grade components. This is not a hobby board. It is not a knockoff made in Asia. This is a German manufactured board that's made to last. We pair our board with other high-end components to complete the HMI. Then, we install the operating system of your choice, Windows, Android, or Linux. Then choose any fully customizable mounting option to complete your Garz Fricke HMI. Prepared for any application or market. Find out for yourself by trying a Garz Fricke starter kit and entering GF Starter in the subject line for 10% off. Visit gotodci.com.